Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be discussing the fabulous fashion choices of the one and only Ashna Zaveri. Ashna is a renowned fashion icon and influencer, known for her impeccable sense of style and trend-setting outfits. So, let's dive right in and take a closer look at some of her stunning fashion choices. The Maldives is known for its pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and captivating natural beauty. Ashna's photo shoot perfectly captures the essence of this tropical paradise. She poses against the breathtaking backdrop of white sand beaches, turquoise lagoons, and lush greenery, creating a dreamy and ethereal atmosphere. Now, let's talk about Ashna's fashion choices during this captivating photo shoot. She effortlessly channels the essence of the Maldives through her outfits, embracing a combination of breezy and vibrant pieces. From flowy maxi dresses in vibrant hues to stylish swimsuits paired with chic cover-ups, the actress' wardrobe perfectly complements the stunning surroundings. Ashna's attention to detail shines through in her choice of accessories. She knows how to accentuate her beachside looks with the right pieces. Whether it's a wide-brimmed hat, oversized sunglasses, or a statement straw bag, the actress' accessories add an extra touch of glamour and sophistication to her ensemble. Another noteworthy aspect of Ashna's Maldives photo shoot is her exploration of different textures and fabrics. She incorporates lightweight and breathable materials like linen and cotton, which perfectly suit the tropical climate. Ashna's outfits often feature delicate lace, airy chiffon, and playful ruffles, enhancing the overall beachy and romantic vibe. Beyond the beach looks, she also showcases her versatility by effortlessly transitioning into glamorous evening attire. From stunning cocktail dresses to elegant resort wear, she exudes sophistication against the backdrop of golden sunsets and candlelit dinners. The actress' evening outfits showcase her impeccable taste and ability to shine in any setting. Ashna's Maldives photo shoot truly embodies the essence of a tropical paradise. Her fashion choices beautifully capture the relaxed, vibrant, and luxurious atmosphere of the Maldives. Every outfit, every pose, radiates elegance and grace. Let's talk about Ashna's casual chic looks. She effortlessly combines comfort and style in her everyday outfits. Whether it's a pair of high-waisted jeans paired with a simple graphic tee and sneakers or a flowy maxi dress with a denim jacket, she knows how to rock the casual look with ease. She often adds statement accessories like oversized sunglasses or a trendy belt to elevate her outfits. Moving on to formal attire, Ashna's red carpet appearances are nothing short of showstoppers. She has a penchant for elegant gowns that accentuate her figure and exude grace. From classic black to bold and vibrant colors, the actress' choices are always on point. She pays attention to intricate details like sequins, lace, and embroidery, making each gown unique and memorable. Let's talk about Ashna's street style fashion. She effortlessly blends current trends with her personal flair, creating looks that are fashion-forward and edgy. From statement blazers paired with leather pants to stylish athleisure ensembles, she knows how to make heads turn on the streets. Her attention to accessories like chunky sneakers, statement bags, and layered jewelry adds an extra touch of personality to her outfits. And of course, we can't overlook Ashna's ethnic wear choices. She embraces her Indian heritage while infusing contemporary elements into her traditional outfits. From stunning saris with modern blouse designs to intricate lehengas and anarkalis, the actress' ethnic wear is always a sight to behold. She experiments with colors, fabrics, and embellishments, creating a perfect balance between tradition and modernity. One fashion choice that Ashna often nails is her impeccable use of color. Whether it's a vibrant monochromatic ensemble or a well-balanced combination of contrasting shades, she knows how to make colors pop. By incorporating a vibrant palette into her outfits, she creates a visually striking and captivating look. Another aspect of Ashna's fashion choices that deserves recognition is her attention to detail. She understands that it's the little things that can truly elevate an outfit. From delicate embroidery and intricate patterns to carefully chosen accessories, she knows how to make each element count. Her meticulous selection of statement jewelry, handbags, and shoes adds a touch of glamour and personality to her overall look. In addition to colors and details, the actress also embraces diverse fashion trends. She keeps a keen eye on the latest runway shows and incorporates those trends into her own style. Be it oversized blazers, animal prints, or the revival of 90s fashion, she effortlessly incorporates these trends into her wardrobe while maintaining her unique fashion sensibility. She proves that staying fashionable doesn't mean compromising your personal style. Ashna's fashion choices often highlight her body positivity and inclusivity. She encourages people of all shapes and sizes to embrace their individuality and feel confident in their own skin. The actress demonstrates this through her outfit choices that flatter her figure while staying true to her personal style. Her body-positive fashion messages inspire countless individuals to celebrate their bodies and express themselves fearlessly. One of the standout elements in Ashna's fashion choices is her ability to mix and match different styles. She effortlessly blends classic and contemporary pieces to create unique and captivating looks. Whether it's pairing a vintage-inspired blouse with modern high-waisted pants or combining a traditional ethnic skirt with a trendy crop top, the actress' eclectic style always catches the eye. She shows us that experimenting with different styles can result in unexpected and fabulous outfits. Another aspect that sets Ashna's fashion choices apart is her attention to sustainable and ethical fashion. She believes in the importance of making responsible fashion choices and supporting brands that prioritize ethical production and materials. The actress often showcases sustainable fashion brands on her social media platforms, encouraging her followers to opt for eco-friendly options. Her dedication to sustainability shows that fashion can be both stylish and environmentally conscious. She also knows how to accessorize with finesse. From statement belts and scarves to hats and sunglasses, she uses accessories to add that extra touch of personality to her outfits. She understands the power of accessories in elevating a look and often experiments with bold and unique pieces. Her accessory choices demonstrate her keen eye for detail and her ability to make even the simplest outfits stand out. Ashna's fashion choices are often influenced by her travels and cultural experiences. She draws inspiration from different countries, incorporating elements from various cultures into her outfits. Whether it's a bohemian-inspired ensemble reminiscent of her trips to Bali or a vibrant Indian print dress she picked up during her visit to Jaipur, the actress' fashion choices reflect her love for exploring different cultures and incorporating them into her personal style. She effortlessly blends classic and contemporary pieces to create unique and captivating looks. Whether it's pairing a vintage-inspired blouse with modern high-waisted pants or combining a traditional ethnic skirt with a trendy crop top, Ashna's eclectic style always catches the eye. She shows us that experimenting with different styles can result in unexpected and fabulous outfits. She believes in the importance of making responsible fashion choices and supporting brands that prioritize ethical production and materials. She often showcases sustainable fashion brands on her social media platforms, encouraging her followers to opt for eco-friendly options. Her dedication to sustainability shows that fashion can be both stylish and environmentally conscious. She also knows how to accessorize with finesse. From statement belts and scarves to hats and sunglasses, the actress uses accessories to add that extra touch of personality to her outfits. She understands the power of accessories in elevating a look and often experiments with bold and unique pieces. Her accessory choices demonstrate her keen eye for detail and her ability to make even the simplest outfits stand out. Ashna's fashion choices are often influenced by her travels and cultural experiences. She draws inspiration from different countries, incorporating elements from various cultures into her outfits. Whether it's a bohemian-inspired ensemble reminiscent of her trips to Bali or a vibrant Indian print dress she picked up during her visit to Jaipur, the actress' fashion choices reflect her love for exploring different cultures and incorporating them into her personal style. In addition to her incredible fashion choices, she also uses her platform to advocate for body positivity and self-love. She promotes the idea that fashion is for everyone, regardless of size, shape, or age. The actress encourages her followers to embrace their unique beauty and to celebrate themselves through fashion. Her inclusive messages empower individuals to express their personal style with confidence and authenticity. Ashna's makeup style can be described as elegant, sophisticated, and always on trend. She knows how to enhance her natural beauty while experimenting with different colors and techniques. From fresh-faced and dewy to bold and glamorous, she effortlessly adapts her makeup to suit various occasions. She embraces a flawless base with a natural glow. The actress opts for lightweight foundations or BB creams that provide coverage while letting her skin breathe. She enhances her complexion with a touch of luminous highlighter on her cheekbones, bridge of the nose, and Cupid's bow, giving her face a beautiful, lit-from-within glow. Ashna's eyes are undoubtedly one of her standout features. She knows how to make them pop using various eyeshadow colors and techniques. Whether it's a soft and romantic smoky eye or a bold and vibrant eyeshadow look, the actress' eyes always mesmerize. She often uses earthy tones like warm browns and bronze for a natural yet sultry look. And when she wants to make a statement, she experiments with pops of color and shimmery metallic shades. She expertly shapes and fills in her eyebrows to frame her face and enhance her features. Whether she goes for a natural and softly arched brow or a more defined and sculpted shape, Ashna's brows always look polished and well-groomed. When it comes to her lips, she loves to play with different shades and finishes. She embraces classic reds for a bold and glamorous statement, soft pinks for a romantic touch, and nude shades for an effortlessly chic look. Ashna's lip choices perfectly complement her overall makeup and add a finishing touch of sophistication to her beauty looks. She also knows the power of proper contouring and highlighting to sculpt and define her features. She expertly adds a touch of bronzer to warm up her complexion and create depth, while a subtle highlighter adds luminosity and brings attention to her best features. The result is perfectly balanced and chiseled face. Ashna's hairstyles are a perfect blend of elegance, versatility, and trendiness. She experiments with various styles, from chic updos to effortless waves, and always manages to make a statement. Whether it's a red carpet event or a casual day out, the actress' hair is a true reflection of her personality and adds an extra touch of glamour to her overall look. She rocks this sleek and polished look with absolute grace and sophistication. Whether her hair is shoulder length or cascading down her back, Ashna's sleek straight hair adds an element of elegance to any outfit and perfectly complements her overall style. Another iconic hairstyle that Ashna pulls off flawlessly is the tousled beach waves. Whether it's for a beach photo shoot or a casual day out, the actress' beachy waves exude a carefree and effortless vibe. Her waves add movement and texture to her hair, giving her a romantic and relaxed look. It's a hairstyle that beautifully captures the essence of a sun-kissed summer. When it comes to updos, she knows how to create a range of stunning looks. From sleek and polished buns to romantic braided updos, she effortlessly transforms her hair for various occasions. Her updos are often adorned with delicate hair accessories, adding a touch of glamour and sophistication. Ashna's updos are not only practical but also perfect for adding that extra wow factor to any outfit. She takes this classic hairstyle to a whole new level with her creativity. From high and sleek ponytails that exude confidence and chuckness to low and messy ponytails that embrace a more relaxed and carefree vibe, the actress' ponytails always look effortlessly stylish. Ashna's hairstyles often showcase her versatility by playing with different hair accessories. From headbands and barrettes to statement hair clips and floral crowns, she knows how to elevate her hairstyles with the perfect accessory. These hair adornments add a touch of charm, femininity, and personality to her overall look. Ashna's fashion editorials, where she gracefully showcases designer ensembles. With each shot, she tells a story, capturing the mood and essence of the fashion piece she's wearing. Her ability to embody the character and vision of the designer is a testament to her versatility as a model. Whether it's haute couture, streetwear, or ethereal gowns, she brings an extra touch of magic to every fashion photoshoot. Ashna's ability to embrace different themes and concepts shines through in her conceptual photoshoots. From fairy tale inspired shoots to avant-garde concepts, she fearlessly dives into each theme and brings it to life. Her creativity, coupled with her ability to showcase emotions through her expressions, adds depth and intrigue to these visually stunning images. One of the standout elements in Ashna's photoshoots is her ability to connect with the camera and exude raw emotion. Her expressive eyes and captivating smile draw viewer into the frame, making each photo a moment frozen in time. Whether it's a close-up beauty shot or a full-body pose, the actress' presence is undeniably magnetic. In addition to her fashion and conceptual shoots, she also embraces natural landscapes as a backdrop for her photoshoots. From serene beaches and lush forests to urban cityscapes, she seamlessly blends with the surroundings, creating a harmonious visual composition. These photoshoots not only showcase Ashna's beauty but also celebrate the beauty of nature. And that wraps up our discussion on Ashna Zavari's fashion choices. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into her fabulous wardrobe. Let us know in the comments which of her looks resonated with you the most. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.